Have you ever spent weeks crafting the perfect financial plan, feeling it's unbreakable? Then, a few months in, an unexpected car repair or a dip in sales shatters it, leaving you panicked. That financial whiplash happens because we often use only half the financial planning toolkit. You've heard budget and forecast and dismissed them as corporate jargon. But what if understanding the simple difference is the key to taking control of your money? Stick around, because we're going to demystify these terms and turn them into your greatest financial allies. Section 1. What is a budget? The master plan. Let's start with the budget. At its core, a budget is your financial plan, a detailed roadmap outlining what you want your money to do over a set period. Think of it like planning a road trip. You pick your final destination, your goal. Then you map the specific highways and decide how much you'll spend on gas, food, and lodging. Your budget says, we will spend $400 on gas and no more. It's about setting limits with intention. A key feature is that it's goal-oriented. Every number helps you hit a target, like saving $10,000 for a down payment. Second, a budget is mostly static. Once set for the year, you don't change it. It becomes your benchmark, the yardstick to measure your performance against. This allows you to do a variance analysis, comparing what you actually spent to what you budgeted. This is the report card for your financial plan. Section 2. What is a forecast? The educated prediction. Now for the budget's flexible cousin, the forecast. If a budget is what you want to happen, a forecast is a prediction of what you think will actually happen based on the latest information. Let's go back to our road trip. The budget is your fixed paper map. The forecast is your car's GPS. The GPS sees real-time data, a traffic jam, a road closure, and updates your path and ETA. It doesn't change your final destination, but it adjusts your route based on what's happening right now. A forecast is expectation-based, grounded in reality, using past data and current trends. Most importantly, it's dynamic and flexible. A forecast is a living document, meant to be updated when important new information comes up. Its main job is to be a decision-making tool, helping you proactively answer, given what we know today, are we still on track? Section 3. The aha moment, side-by-side comparison. Okay, seeing these two side-by-side is where the aha moment clicks. Plan versus prediction. This is the core difference. A budget is your plan, the target you're aiming for. A forecast is your prediction, an estimate of what's probably going to happen. Static versus dynamic. A budget is fixed for a set period to give you a stable benchmark. A forecast is constantly changing with new information, giving you a real-time view of your financial future. Goals versus reality. A budget is built from your goals and ambitions. A forecast is built from reality, historical data, and current trends. Control versus adaptation. A budget is for control, helping you manage spending and ask, are we sticking to the plan? A forecast is for adaptation, helping you adjust to new circumstances and ask, is our plan still going to work? Section 4. Why you need both, the power couple of finance. This brings us to the most important point. You don't choose one or the other. They are a financial power couple. Your budget is your constitution. Your forecast is your regular intelligence report. Take a coffee shop that budgets for $20,000 in monthly sales. After the first quarter, they're actually averaging $22,000. They create a new forecast, which now predicts they'll end the year far ahead of budget. This insight lets them decide to hire another barista or invest in that new espresso machine. Now let's flip it. What if sales were only $15,000 due to unexpected construction? Their updated forecast shows this new reality, predicting they'll miss their annual profit goal by a wide margin. This forecast is an early warning system that forces them to act now. They can start a delivery service or run online ads. The forecast spotted the problem long before it became a year-end disaster, and the budget showed them just how serious the problem was. Recap and call to action. So let's boil it all down. A budget is your financial plan, your static roadmap and ultimate goal. A forecast is your financial prediction, your dynamic, real-time GPS to navigate the journey. A budget is what you want to happen. A forecast is what you think will happen. You need the budget to set your course and the forecast to make smart adjustments. If this explanation finally made sense, hit that like button. It helps others find this video. And for more videos that break down complicated money topics into simple, actionable advice, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. And now, I want to hear from you. What is one financial term that has always felt like confusing jargon?